My name is Joseph Munyaneza. I'm with USDA ARS in Yakima, Washington. I do work on potatoes, and my main assignment is on insect vectoring potato diseases. So for the past 7-8 years, I've been working on Zebra Chip. I started from the beginning, and as a matter of fact, my group was the first one to make the connection between the Zebra Chip and the tiny insect, the potato salad, which has become the center of Zebra Chip research. To try to deal with this new disease of potato, we have to target the potato salad. And the one way we were going to be able to do something is to be able to manage the insect. And in order to do this, we have to understand how these insects behave, how it does transmit the disease. And so very recently we have been working on trying to again understand this insect. So one of the things we know now is we're trying to understand how the insect acquire the bacterium which causes zebra chip and transmit it. One very important aspect is these cells, when you acquire the bacterium, it doesn't necessarily transmit the pathogen immediately, and there is a time which has to lapse between the acquisition of the bacterium and the transmission, what we call latent period. And no one had figured out, but we recently found out that it takes about 2 weeks from the acquisition when the insect feed on the plants and it's able to transmit the pathogen, which gives you a couple of weeks window. If you want to manage this insect, you can go ahead and do that safely, because it's going to take about 2 weeks for the insect after feeding on the affected plants to be able to transmit, which is very important. Another aspect I've been involved in is to try to identify resistant potato varieties which are resistant to zebra chip. So far, we have not found any commercial potato line or commercial potato variety which is resistant to zebra chip. And so we have been working with a team of breeders to try to screen the material they have, any advanced potato lines, to see which ones may be resistant or tolerant to the disease. And in the last 4 years, my group have screened about 250 potato clones or lines. Those are potatoes which are almost close to the commercialization. And in the last 4 years, we have identified about 7 lines, potato lines, which are promising, which can be used to manage zebra chip. We are very excited because if we can get potato varieties which are resistant or tolerant of a disease, those can be used in the management of this disease, and that will allow us to reduce the amount of pesticides dumped in the potato crops to try to manage the disease. Thank you.